Objective of this video. I'm going to tell you who I am, what I do, tell you about my Patreon link, then I'm going to seduce your pants off with a couple bloopers and outtakes. Who am I? My name is James. I'm a grateful recovering addict and alcoholic. I drank and used for 2 decades recklessly, and I have been recovering since January 18th, 2016. I post videos right here on this channel weekly. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell, like and share to get this message out there. Scroll all the way down if you're on your phone to comment, and hit this drop down arrow to explore the links in the drop down description where I posted recovery resources as well as my Patreon link. Objective 2, what is Patreon? Patreon is a platform that allows you, the viewer, to connect with me, the creator, and me, the creator, to offer you, the viewer, more and more cool shit. My Patreon can be found up here in this lowercase I, down there in the drop down description, or at patreon.com/soberjames. There you'll find ways to get access to direct messaging with me, ways to get your name in the credits, as well as access to my posts, my polls where you can vote on videos, and intimate topics such as what am I going to do with these chipmunks in my walls, the community activity feed, and I'm now introducing a tier where you get access to outtakes and bloopers like I'm about to show you. I'm working on a couple videos soon to come. I'm doubling down on the content here and how I can serve you. Patreon.com/soberjames. Well, enjoy the outtakes. It's a snippet of what is in store. I thank you all sincerely from the bottom of my heart. And until next time, keep it real, keep it clean, and keep doing the damn thing. Peace.
Hi, I'm Dr. Buttercup, and this is Liz. She's my personal assistant. She's like my handler, basically.
And I speak well.
She does. She speaks well. Dory speaks some well.
What do you want me to say, Dr. Buttercup? Well, how do you paint with cells?
Okay, alright. We might cut that. We want to be taken somewhat seriously right out the gate.
Buzz Aldrin, the one of 2 very first Earthlings to step on the moon, is sharing his strength and spirit. Here's some video ideas. Bobby, you want to talk about living in the solution and not...
Boy, do I!
Living in the solution and not the problem. ISO auto with memory slot 1 in only. Christine is going to show me acrylic painting.
With WD-40 to create some cells.
Yes.
Time killer, creative, fantastic, fun, happiness, joy. What the hell?
I know, right?
You can edit.
Editing.
I know, right?
There you'll find ways to get access to direct messaging with me, ways to get your name in the credits,